Molweni guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Guys, please do comment below and please guys to subscribe and do like my video. So guys, also Mizi nowadays Agana Peace after his baby mama Palesa went on a podcast okukhuluma ukuthi hayi kahle umntanami uyasafara and the father is there. The father did nothing for umntanami ever since. So with all that guys, there was a lot of debate on social media whether ngubani or wrong between Osomizi or Palis or Obahumi. So some other people that would know kahle Osomizi is wrong. Osomizi should be supporting umntanakhe. Let me just read a few comments down the comment section. It says that Bahumi yena ojile, she is trembling with hunger. We gonna apply for adults grant 350 batu. And the other one went on to saying that social media can change towards you over info received 2 seconds ago. I don't understand why his daughter's eating is any of your business. Whether she ate or not, it's not like you guys will feed her. Omunga wat umpia uja one. Bahumi yena. So guys, the reason Goto Osomizi is busy living the best of his life is not sitting well with a lot of people because there was an issue that was given to people, which was given by baby mama, and people received it in many ways. Others felt like, okay, Wahumi is just being a spoiled brat, she's not working hard. Because guys, even Dr. Matthew took to TikTok to express ukuthi hayi Wahumi is wrong, Wahumi uyahlanya. Like no, Osomizi has been supportive towards her career. He spoke of ukuthi Wahumi ujoinele modeling, if I'm not mistaken. Also wakhuluma ngendaba ukuthi Wahumi jigijigi waba photographer. From being a photographer, she went on to acting, which she also dropped out. And now everything is Somizi's fault. How is it Somizi's fault if umntwana engafaki effort to her career or wanting to become something? Because guys, Opalisa mentioned that Bahumi cannot take care of herself. She even borrows her car sometimes to travel from A to B while Osomizi enemali. Why Osomizi support Bahumi financially? And with that guys, Ugogo Scotten was also involved, commented to Dr. Matthew's post saying that I disagree with you. Umntwana ngowakho, you just have to make sure ukuthi umntwana is always okay at all times. So guys, but no matter how old umntwana is, if umntwana wants assistance from the parent must always show up, especially ma benezinto, ma umama no baba benemali. The parents should assist umntwana empilweni because who knows ukuthi without the assistant umntwana lona ngeke be something in life. So it became a huge debate guys. It brought up so many opinions from people. Some stood not Dr. Matthew to know Bahumi is just acting, she's a spoiled brat, she has to work hard. And some even gave example okay, when at this age they were on their own. But anyway guys, please do comment below and let me know what you have to say about this. And please guys, if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, please do me the honor and to subscribe.